Hey guys, I'm Subhas, and again I come back front of you to take a new video, guys. And right now I'm alone at my room, and just I was lying on my bed and thinking about my future. So, as you know, I've been thinking for a long time. I can say since 2022, I want to be a creator. But what the thing? Almost I completed 4 year, 4 year, 4 year plus. But what I'm doing? Just I'm doing the things every day and casually I'm living my life, but I don't want to every day I don't want to live this kind of life, but I'm living like living. I don't know what should I do, and just I'm doing this way, that this thing, that thing. Yeah, I tried when I was at my job time. At the time I wanted to learn English, so I learned English, and nowadays I'm able to speak English. Okay. And guys, and still I'm learning. Okay, so I want to tell you one thing. If you really want to achieve something in your life, little bit you have to become crazy, because lots of people they are doing same thing, and if you are also doing same thing, then how the things will you get that thing? You have to do something different, you have to do some extra effort for whatever you want. Okay, so my just message to you guys, to all of you, just you think, when I was at my like job time, and when I started learning this language, at that time I think that actually still right now I'm 25-year-old. It's around like 6 days pass, and now it's my from my Aadhaar card I can say I'm 25-year-old. I've completed my 25 year of life. Okay, so now it's a good time to my life that taking decision. Actually, at this age, the people got like settled, and still I'm struggling. Okay, I'm struggling. I'm doing sometime this work, that work. So guys, just I'm thinking like when I will achieve, when I will buy, like when I will live in a flat, like when I will have a own car, when I will live a like luxurious life, when I will give to my family to a good trip, to a good life. Just I'm thinking right now I'm 24, like the, is my life also go through like in which way my parents, my grandparents they live. Just I'm thinking and little bit worried about that thing. The seeing the people they are growing in their life and what I'm doing. Okay, so you know we should focus on one thing, I think, and we can achieve everything whatever we want in our life. Why I'm saying this thing? Actually, and we should be become master of that field. Actually, that there are lots of people they are working. Okay, there are many people they are working, and just you think while working how much money you can have. If you want live different kind of life, you have to think first of all different, that how you can achieve those things. Thinking that you can think, but continuously thinking it is important. Are you thinking every day to fight? Are you fighting every day for your dream? And just you one day you think, you see from other people that what, yeah, they have good, I've also, and again you started doing the things and again you forget your dream. Through this way you will not get. You have to do something every day for your best life, for your best future. Okay, so what the thing you need to do? Guys, I don't know, but I know one thing. Whatever the thing your society and the people are doing, if you'll do that thing, you'll also get that thing. So you have to do something different. You can see the already who people they achieve in their life, while the social media they are doing some business there, and through other things. So you should focus on that. I hope you may understand whatever I said. Bye bye, take care. I will meet you again.